Hi guys, my name is Derek, and today we're going to be learning how to draw Baby Yoda from Disney Plus's Mandalorian. For today's lesson, all that you're going to need is a pen, I'm using just a marker, and a piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to get started on Baby Yoda. Okay, to do this, we're going to start out with just a half circle going about the middle to higher part of the page. So if you just want to make a little head for our Baby Yoda, we can start with that. Alright, and then from there we're going to start his little robe, just to get our sizing down. So start a little bit to the left. If you see my dot there, we're going to start right there, and we're going to make a longer V. So we're going to go just like this, all the way over to a little bit over half of his head. And then we're going to finish that V on the other side here, extending it just a little bit past his head. Alright, then if you see, this will be his robe down here with his head up here. We're going to make two eyes for him, and here's how we're going to do that. We're just going to make two circles around here and here on the drawing. So here we go. I'm going medium circles just to make his eyes really pop. You can choose whatever size you want. Okay, those are mine. And after this, we're gonna make little circles inside these two circles, just for a little shine in his eye. So I'm gonna put my circles right there and right there. Alright, and then we're gonna fill those circles, the big circles, the first initial circles, we're gonna fill those in. So let's do that. I'm using these different markers. They're not very good, but you gotta work with what you got. We can use a pen, you can use a pencil. But going from there, we're gonna make his little nose. So you're gonna find the center of his head, kind of right in the middle, and then we're just gonna make a little U. Alright, kind of looks like a smiley face, but we're gonna try to make that his nose. After that U is done, we're gonna put a little bridge of the nose on there, and just like that. Alright, and then we're gonna do his big floppy ears. So his big ears are gonna start about right there and right there on his head. That's where we're gonna begin. So we'll go right here, and we're gonna choose a long diagonal line right up there, and we're gonna curve it a little bit at the top. Alright, after that, we're gonna bring it down and make a big wide ear, and then connect it to his head with a little curve down here. Once that is done, we're gonna finish it off by his little ear flap, and we're gonna start at this curved edge here and bring it back to his head, making it progressively wider towards his head. And we're gonna stop it just short. And we're gonna do that exact same thing on this other side. So if you find your line and bring it over, gonna make a line over here with a little curve up. It doesn't need to be perfect, it doesn't need to be symmetrical. So then we're gonna bring it right on down with a little curve again. And then we're gonna start again at that point to give him his ear flap. And we're gonna do the same thing, just stopping it a little short. Alright, moving on from there, we're gonna give his collar. So starting on this line here, we're going to bring this down just a little bit in a diagonal line. We're gonna do that same thing on this side. Bring it right down. All right, and then we're gonna finish up this side of the V first. So we're gonna bring this right on over here. And then once you get to this point, we're gonna wrap it, make a little curve and wrap it straight up right into that first part of your diagonal line. Now starting with the second part of the V, we're gonna bring that right down, right underneath the curve. All right, we're now gonna start on his robe. So we're gonna start right about where his head was. And you're gonna make one little line down, just a little diagonal, and we're gonna do that on the other side. Just diagonal down. And then going from there, we're gonna make the cuffs on his shirt. So we're gonna start a line a little bit up from this line here. We're gonna come out, down, curve, over, curve, and then curve it back right there. We're gonna do that on the other side here. We're gonna start there, curve down, curve over, curve up, and curve back. All right. If you need any sort of, if you need to pause the video or if you need to stop, feel free to go ahead and do that. But we're gonna make his little armpit now. So we're just gonna pull right there and go up right there. We're gonna do that on both sides. All right, so from here, we're gonna go ahead and make his tiny little hands. He's got those little claws. I think he only has about 3 fingers. So we're gonna start right here. We're going to come in a little curve, just like that. And then we're gonna bring it straight into his cuff. We're gonna do that on the other side as well. A little curve, and then straight into his cuff. All right, then we gotta make his thumbs. Thumbs are important, so let's make his little thumbs. Start about from the middle of your straight line, and then just curve it on down. Then we gotta make his nails pretty. So we gotta right there. Right there. Starting on your long points, you can just come over to your curves. And now we'll finish up with his robe. We'll start from about the thumb here. You're gonna make a squiggly line down. We're gonna do that on the other side as well. Just a squiggly line down. And then we're gonna make the front, which is gonna be like a big long U. So we're gonna go U. And then if you, with your little curves on the side, you can make it look like he has wrinkles in his robe. We're also going to do that up here. Little wrinkles. And there you have Baby Yoda. I didn't mess up here, but it's okay. Now, you can color this in. I'm gonna just edit it into a hyperlapse in a couple minutes here. And if you have any questions, feel free to pause or let one of us know. All right. And there we have it. I just used a couple markers, made his robe, gave him some light shading, and we are done. I hope you all had fun. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.